I have a confession to make. Sometimes I Google my symptoms. Have you tried it? Just kidding. I know you have. Think about the last time you Googled a symptom. Did it make you feel better? Or did the worry get a grip on you? That exact moment is where my PhD research begins. Because that feeling has a name, health anxiety. When normal concerns about your health turns into fear of being seriously ill. And researchers have been busy studying this in adults, but somehow they forgot the teenagers. And if we want to stop health anxiety from tightening its grip on a teenager, there are 3 things we need to understand. 1. What does health anxiety look like in teenagers so we can recognize it? 2. What are the consequences if we don't help them? And 3. Where does it all begin, and could we somehow prevent it? To answer this, I have used 21 years of data from our national registers, following over 6,000 children from birth into adulthood. And when they were teenagers, they answered questions about health anxiety and many other things. And first, I gave health anxiety a face by showing how we can measure it in teenagers and by showing how health anxiety is different than other anxiety. Then I showed the costs of health anxiety for the individual and for our society, because health anxiety takes away joy from these teenagers' everyday life. It makes them suffer, and it results in repeated visits with doctors and hospitals for many years. Finally, I found one of its roots. Growing up with a parent who's seriously ill can teach a child to worry about their own body and possibly lead to health anxiety later in life. Right now, if a teenager has health anxiety, we don't have any treatment to offer them. My research doesn't just help us understand health anxiety. It lays the foundation to build these treatments. And now is the time to turn understanding into real help. And you, the next time you worry about a symptom, try to give it time or go ask a real doctor. But whatever you do, don't ask Dr. Google.